Yo, what's poppin', guys? Sizzle here, and I've been recently having this problem where when I am zoomed into window maximized, I can no longer minimize from the taskbar up here. I always have to right click and hit restore, and then I can move it around in a smaller mode and resize it and things like that. And I can also make it bigger again, but once it's bigger, this option for whatever reason is grayed out. And I did some searching online, found the solution, and that would be by going to the top of your search bar here, typing in chrome //flags, press the enter button. You'll get to a page somewhat like this. At the top in the search bar, search touch UI layout, or just touch UI. It'll probably pop up, and you'll see it says enables touch UI layout in the browser's top Chrome. Change that from default to disabled. Not exactly sure what this all disabled, but all I'm going to tell you is that it fixes that problem. I hit relaunch. You can now see I can minimize, drag around, maximize, minimize, maximize, minimize. It's all working fine. That's all there is to it. That's all you got to do to fix it. Hopefully you guys found this useful, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great rest of your day.